Welcome to Lesson 2. Why do your stamps look blurry? If your stamps have ever looked blurry or fuzzy instead of crisp, this video will clear that up for you. Most of the time it has nothing to do with pressure or the stamp at all. It's about movement you may not even realize is happening. Let's talk about what causes it and how to stop it. Okay, so today we are going to be working with this Mercy House Challenge stamp again. These are little coaster blanks that I got from Michael's years and years ago. And the front is textured, but the back is nice and flat. So we're just going to stamp on the back. And I've chosen this one this time. We're going to go with this one, and I take it off. So we'll use this one, and we'll add another couple little fun things here just to have things going. Let's just go with that. We'll do those two. So I've set it on my little coaster, and now we're just going to pick it up with the thin mount. So they were set on upside down, so now the backs of the stamps are on the thin mount. And this time we're going to go with Ocean's Deep, which is an IOD ink, and it's like a turquoise color. And we're going to dab that on. I'm using some pressure, but not too much. So we're going to put this on here, and then we're just going to move that around. Oh no, look what happened. It shifted, and now we've got a blurry, wonky looking stamp. So that's not what we want. What we do want is a nice crisp stamp. So we're going to give this a little bit more ink. And I got a little bit of ink on the thin mount, so I'm just going to wipe that off. And we're going to do this again. And we're going to set it down on our project, and we're going to stabilize it with one hand while we gently just kind of put some pressure on the back. And then I'm going to stabilize with this hand, and I'm going to go ahead and put my pressure on that stamp. And you can lift it up and take a peek and make sure everything is good while stabilizing it. And there you go. You can see the difference between the two. So stabilizing with one hand, always stabilize your piece with one hand. Just gonna wipe this off. So you've got your ink on your stamp, you place it on your project, and you gently stabilize it with one hand, and you just kind of press down on the stamp with the other hand. And then you just alternate hands to get to the rest of the stamp. Always stabilizing it with one hand or the other and trying not to move it around. That helps huge when it comes to any sort of shifting while you're pressing it on there. Another thing that I found too that we can do some practice. So let's just grab another sheet of paper. So another option is we'll ink this stamp back up again. And we'll lay it down on our project. And we'll grab a brayer. So this is an IOD brayer, and if you just go and you roll over it like this, you do have the risk of moving it around, depending on what you're stamping onto. If what you're stamping onto is a little bit porous or it has a little bit of a tooth, it's going to be way less likely for your stamp to move on you. So like this way, it didn't move. It actually turned out pretty good. There's a little bit you can see. There's a tiny bit of movement you can see right up here on the edges. So we will just lay this down again. Very gently lay your stamp down. And I'm going to stabilize it with this hand, and I'm going to very gently roll over it. Now the brayer only works when you're working on a truly flat surface. I very seldom use a brayer. I usually just go with my finger and I just rub around on the stamp. And if you put too much pressure, I'm going to show you this one first. This one turned out perfectly. There's no smudging, there's no movement in that one at all. It's nice and crisp and clean. So now I'm going to show you what pressure does. So same stamp. And you can see on the white paper now, you can see where I've got ink on the thin mount. You want to clean that up because otherwise you could accidentally put that somewhere on your project you don't want it. So now I'm going to push really hard. I'm just going to really push that in there, kind of as hard as I can. We're just really going to mash it on there. I'm still stabilizing it, but I'm using a lot of pressure. And that also will make a mess. So see how smudgy that is? It looks blurry and it's shifted. And you don't want that either. And that's just from pushing too hard. Because they're silicone and they're flexible. So if you really smush down on it and you push it on the project, you're moving it, and you don't want it to do that because it's going to affect your stamp. So that breaks down what happens when your stamps shift a little bit, if you use too much pressure, and if you don't stabilize with one hand always as you're pressing your stamp down. I hope that clears up that part for you. We'll see you on the next one.